guy. So apparently his sons got killed and he got interviewed about it. They were killed in an airstrike in Gaza, and he was happy about it. He publicly expressed gratitude and a sense of honor for what was described as the martyrdom of his children and grandchildren. I thank God for this honor, blah, blah, blah. So this is an interesting thread if you want to go on my blog, because I said, is this objectively fucked up and a bad way to be? Is it reasonable to condemn this type of thinking and behavior? Which I obviously think it is, but I wanted to see what Perplexity would say. And it's so cool because it broke it down in terms of different moral philosophies and perspectives and ways you can come at it.